Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash without committing to a full-time job? In this video, you'll discover the top 8 side hustles you can start in 2024 that are perfect for your busy schedule. These methods are simple, require no prior experience, and can easily fit into your part-time routine. From leveraging your skills online to engaging in local services, there's something for everyone. We'll break down each side hustle, providing you with actionable steps to get started. So, let's dive in and discover how you can boost your income while balancing your studies. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Number 8. Blogging. Blogging ranks at number 8 because it offers a flexible platform for students to express their thoughts and interests while earning money through ads and affiliate marketing. It requires minimal investment and can be started with just a laptop and internet connection. Unlike video content creation, which demands more technical skills and equipment, blogging allows for creativity in writing and storytelling. While it may take time to build an audience, the potential for passive income makes it appealing. Compared to higher-ranked options like social media influencing, blogging is less immediate but provides a solid foundation for those who enjoy writing and sharing ideas. Number 7. Graphic design. Graphic design takes the number 7 spot due to its blend of creativity and demand in the digital age. Students can create stunning visuals for businesses, social media, or personal projects using free tools like Canva or GIMP. This side hustle allows for artistic expression while offering the potential for lucrative freelance opportunities. Unlike blogging, which relies heavily on writing skills, graphic design focuses on visual storytelling and can yield quicker results in terms of client satisfaction. While it requires some design knowledge, many resources are available for beginners. Compared to higher-ranked options like video editing, graphic design is more accessible and can be done at your own pace. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistant work secures the number 6 position due to its versatility and growing demand among entrepreneurs and small businesses. This role involves managing tasks like scheduling, email correspondence, and social media management, making it ideal for organized students. Unlike graphic design, which requires specific creative skills, virtual assisting relies more on administrative abilities and communication. It offers flexible hours, allowing students to work around their class schedules. While it may not be as creatively fulfilling as higher-ranked options like content creation, the potential for steady income and the opportunity to develop valuable skills make it a practical choice for busy students. Number 5. Pet sitting. Pet sitting claims the number 5 spot due to its rewarding nature and flexibility. This side hustle allows students to earn money while caring for furry friends, making it a fun and engaging option. Unlike virtual assisting, which often involves administrative tasks, pet sitting is hands-on and fosters a connection with animals. It requires no prior experience, just a love for pets and basic care knowledge. The demand for pet sitters is consistently high, especially during holidays and vacations. While it may not offer the same income potential as higher-ranked options like tutoring, the joy of spending time with pets makes it a delightful choice for animal lovers. Number 4. Social media management. Social media management takes the number 4 position due to its relevance in today's digital landscape. This side hustle involves creating, scheduling, and analyzing content for businesses on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It appeals to students who are savvy with social media and enjoy engaging with online communities. Unlike pet sitting, which is more personal and hands-on, social media management requires strategic thinking and creativity. The potential for high earnings exists as businesses increasingly seek to enhance their online presence. While it demands consistent effort and adaptability, the dynamic nature of this role makes it an exciting choice for those looking to blend work with their passion for social media. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping secures the number 3 spot due to its low-risk business model and potential for significant profit. This side hustle allows students to sell products online without holding inventory, as suppliers ship directly to customers. It requires minimal upfront investment, making it accessible for those on a budget. Unlike social media management, which relies on engagement and content creation, Dropshipping focuses on market research and e-commerce strategies. The ability to work from anywhere and the scalability of the business model are major advantages. While it demands dedication to marketing and customer service, the potential for passive income makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurial students. Number 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring takes the number 2 position due to its rewarding nature and high demand for academic support. This side hustle allows students to leverage their knowledge in subjects they excel in, helping others while earning money. Unlike dropshipping, which requires marketing skills and product management, online tutoring focuses on interpersonal communication and teaching abilities. The flexibility of scheduling sessions around classes makes it ideal for busy students. Additionally, platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with students globally. While it requires preparation and patience, the satisfaction of helping others succeed academically makes online tutoring a fulfilling and impactful choice. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing claims the number 1 spot due to its versatility and high earning potential. This side hustle allows students to express their creativity while working on diverse projects, from blog posts to marketing copy. Unlike online tutoring, which focuses on teaching specific subjects, freelance writing offers the freedom to explore various topics and styles. It requires minimal startup costs, as all you need is a computer and internet access. The ability to set your own rates and work hours makes it incredibly appealing for students balancing academics. With a growing demand for quality content, freelance writing not only provides income but also enhances writing skills, making it the ultimate choice for aspiring wordsmiths. So, we explored the top 8 side hustles students can start in 2024, all of which are simple, part-time, and require no prior experience. We ranked them as follows: blogging, graphic design, virtual assistant, pet sitting, social media management, dropshipping, online tutoring, and freelance writing. Each option offers unique opportunities to earn extra income while balancing your studies. We encourage you to dive deeper into these side hustles and find the one that resonates with you. Remember, taking action today can lead to financial independence tomorrow. So start exploring your options and unleash your potential.